Welcome back, guys. My name is Jake Thompson. Thanks for coming back for another edition of Jake Thompson Hair Tips and Tricks. Guys, today we're gonna be talking about holiday hair. What are you gonna do for your holiday? I'm gonna show you a few tips and tricks that are gonna kind of change the way that you can style your hair. Super simple. We're gonna use a few different products. I'm gonna show you the difference between those products. Stay tuned. Let's get right into it, guys. So when it comes to doing holiday hair, one of the things that I always run into with my wife and I is that we're always strapped for time. We leave our hair to the very last minute, especially she's like, can you do my hair? And I was like, of course I can. Of course, I'm a hairdresser, why not, right? So a lot of times we might not have set her hair. She might have just washed her hair and her hair is, really just kind of like as is, like how this would be. So I wanna show you what you can do to enhance your look like this so you can rush out of the house in no time, okay? So there's some products that I'm gonna show you, and some of these products right through here, they're really kind of a grip for the hair. Now, these are something that I use in my hair, but this is gonna be instant volume, instant texture, right? This allows you to essentially just almost like, it's like backcombing in a bottle kind of thing. So I'm gonna show you how to use this. These are all very, very similar. No one is better than the other. Personally, I've used them all. Some might be a little bit stronger, some might be a little bit softer. But the cool thing is that if you're gonna pull up your hair, one of the really cool things is that you can put that product in your hair and you can pull up your hair, you can braid your hair, you can create instant volume. It's amazing. So I'm gonna kind of split this in two. I'm gonna do one side where I'm going to kind of pull up how you would see how I would pull up like one side, and the other side I'm gonna kind of wear down, and I'm gonna show you how to work with that down so you can kind of see those two. Cool, let's get into it. All right, guys, so there's a couple different things, right? When you are considering working with your natural texture, hopefully you have like a little bit of a wave happening in there, because this is really what we want to work with. This side we're going to wear down. And so I'm going to show you that as you start to use this product that has like a grip on it, we are going to be spraying this underneath. We're going to be spraying it on the underneath section from here to here. And so I'll take another section right through here, and then I'm going to be working and I'm going to be spraying from there to there, okay? Okay, taking this hair, just like that. And what you will notice when you use this product in the hair, you will notice it's like instant grip, right? Like you can create a ton of volume and lift throughout the hair, which is absolutely amazing. So you can take that texture of hair and you can completely transform it. And when you feel it, it's got that kind of grip tape-ish kind of feel to it. So you again, create volume and texture instantly, okay? So again, we're gonna wear this side down. We wanted to put that in at the roots in that specific area. Now I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna spray a little bit of kind of a beach spray to kind of bring out and get more definition. And this one I'm actually using this from Orbay. This is the Spray Beach from Orbay. Now, what we want to do is we're going to take this right side, now we're going to pull this up, and we're going to do very similar. We're going to use this textured kind of grip. We're going to use it at the root area, but we're also going to like kind of extend it into the mids and a little bit on the end. So we're going to go a lot more aggressive with it, and there's a reason why, okay? So now what you want to do is we're going to take those sections, I'm going to spray up on top. really, really quick, whenever you're using a product like this, you wanna make sure that you use a little bit of a wax-based product because it can get a little bit staticky if you start kind of playing with it too much. But you will notice when you use a grip product like we've used, like your hair will literally feel like you've got 3 or 4 times the amount of hair, which it can be absolutely fabulous to work with, to play around with. Because of what we've done with this hair, as far as with the texture of the hair, I put up this whole style with 1 pin. Because you've got so much texture in the hair, working with the stuff that we applied before to what we have in there now, that it literally creates, like, you can do so much with this. And again, like, I wanted to show you guys that this cool thing is that we had natural texture before. You saw it before. I applied that grip at the root area, and then we applied a little bit of a kind of beach spray towards the end to get almost kind of like that really lived-in beach look. The other really cool thing about it is that you could take that exact same thing and you can actually pin up her hair to create this really cool pompadour kind of French twist happening right through here, which is awesome. So again, like, this is vice versa, one versus the other. You know, which one is right for you, it doesn't necessarily matter. The whole point is that I just showed you guys a very simple, easy way to enhance or to take your hair from one extreme to the next just by the products you used. We used no sort of heat styling tools. We didn't use a flat iron, a curling iron, a blow dryer, anything like that. So that's the cool thing, guys. I hope that you guys found some value in today's video. I think if approaching the holiday season, if you guys are throwing a party, if you're gonna be going to a party, doing a virtual party, whatever it is you guys are gonna be doing, you wanna make sure that your hair is the most important accessory you're ever gonna wear. Again, guys, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. I'll see you next week. My name is Jake Thompson.